So this is a short video on how to customize the bubble wand that I have on my website using Glowforge Premium. So the first thing you're going to want to do is scroll down and download and extract this file, and go to the Glowforge UI and create and upload from file. I have best luck with the 30mm SVG version of the bubble wand, but feel free to play, obviously. All right, and since I'm not using proof grade material, I'm going to select my material before we get started. All right, and if you just wanted a bubble wand, you could cut this down, that would work. But what's the fun in that? Let's customize this. So I'm gonna find some sort of artwork to put on there, and I think a dragon would be pretty sweet. And so let's rotate that so that it's facing the same way and scale it to be reasonable. All right, and so the first thing I'm going to do is create an outline of just the dragon. And I like 0.1, that way you're not wasting a bunch of extra space around it. All right, and now that I have that, I'm going to select that outline that we just created and the outline for the bubble wand. And I'm going to create another outline. And for this one, we want to do either a 0 or a very small negative number. I have pretty good luck with 0.01 negative. All right, and now we have the outline of just the dragon in here twice, and so I'm going to ignore that. And same with the outline for the bubble wand, so I'm going to ignore that as well. And then I'm going to rearrange my cuts so that they make sense, doing engraves first and then cut the insides and then outsides. And so now I'm going to select all of that and position it on my material in a way that makes the most sense for what I have to work with. And just because I'm picky, I'm going to set focus and go for it. All right, let's roll.